こんにちは。
こんにちは。
なにです。
マニです。文法語へようこそ。
Today is JLPT N3 grammar and the topic is
がたい。
So, がたい means difficult or hard. I never use it, ever. I've never used it in my life because I use nikui. So what's going on here?
ちなみにがたい、結構使う言葉があって、So we have a common sentence like 近寄りがたい。
近寄りがたい。
近寄りがたい。友達になりにくい人。ちょっと a loner. If the person looks a bit loner and doesn't want to communicate with people, we say 近寄りがたい。そうだから何々がたいみたいな感じで使う。When you hear がたい, maybe it doesn't sound familiar to you. But actually がたい kanji is 難しい。It's the same kanji.
The 難しい has she 送りがない。she. But if it's just got e, it's がたい。
がたい。
Can you say がたいです? Like, このテストはがたいです。
Oh no, you can't say it.
Right.
It's like kind of set place. So you have to put a
verb.
Stem.
So しがたい。
しがたい。そう。Yeah. あとはね、一番わかりやすい例は、even I didn't know that. So I researched it. But there are two more similar expressions. がたい、にくい、づらい。Those three are so similar. 例えばだけど、じゃあ今度は近づきがたい。近づきにくい、近づきづらい。何かというと、近づきがたいは You want to do that. You really want to do that. But you actually can't do that. 例えば誰かと友達になりたい。If you want to be a friend to someone, but actually you can't do it because she's loner.
Right.
She's big.
She doesn't want to be a friend.
その時は彼女は近づきがたい。だけど、近づきづらい。近づきづらいっていうのは君の気持ち、話してる人の気持ち。
So it's a problem with me.
そう。
So I want to be friends with her, but like I can't get close because I'm the loner.
そう。ちょっと自分の問題。で、近づきにくいはもう客観的な事実。
You mean like literally, she's in America and we're in Japan, so we can't get close.
ちょっと近づきにくい。そう。
Right.
っていう差があって。だけど、even Japanese people don't think about it. We just use all phrases without consciousness. So ちょっと難しい。ちょっと連絡しがたいですね。
Right.
I
I never
want to take
pick up.
contact with them. Like there is something. その理由は何かわからない。何か理由があって、私はしたいけどできない。連絡しづらいは、ちょっと連絡しづらいですね。それは I have some reason. I don't want to contact someone. 連絡しにくいは Oh, she's in America. So it's
Literally, there's a time
difficult.
difference.
みたいな感じ。
Okay.
あの人はちょっと近寄りがたいよね。それはちょっと信じがたいね。社長の考えはいつも理解しがたい。